Babe, do you think it's nice, the clip? It's a flower clip. Yes, and then I will do my makeup soon. I will put blush on. Of course, my eyeshadow. I'm practicing. I'm practicing on what I will look on the graduation day of my niece. Because I will be attending it. So I have a pearl bracelet. I have one. And then I also have the single one. So what do you think would look good? This one? You think it will look good? Or this one? The one with the or this one? What do you think is better? And then about the necklace, I have this single one, single, and I have the triple. I have the triple. I have this. Uh, hmm, what do you think? Single or this one? I don't think the black will look good. I also have a dark pearl. I also have this one. See? Oh, it kind of looks good, right? The dark. See? And then I have the blue. I also have a blue one. I bought two. See? Two clips. One color flash. And of course, I have the dark blue. You know, I like blue. I don't know. I'm thinking. I still have this long pearl. But I don't think it will suit the dress that I will be wearing. I'm thinking of this. Ah, yeah. I'm thinking of this one, the single one. What do you think? The single one or the triple one? This one. I don't know. And about the bracelet. What do you think looks nicer? This one or this one? Tell me.